So we are doing maintenance on the Boxster 987. Right now we are doing the cabin filter. It applies to the Boxster 987, the Cayman, the 911, 997. I don't know if the .1 or .2 will be different. It's the .1. And yeah, here I already have all the plastic parts off. If you are from the UK, you will have it there. It's a little bit more tricky because of this bracket here, but yeah, not that hard. And yeah, to remove these plastic parts, basically you have two clips here. You slide it, and then the other side, it's with plastic clips that goes in, pressed in. You remove this part, this trim, a little bit to make it easier, and you slide it out or pop it out. Yeah. So our cabin filter for the left-hand drive vehicle, so most of the European one, is located here, and here you find this plastic piece. I've seen many videos where people has a metal part that is attached here, also a different plastic part. Yeah, I thought it was the metal one, but looks like it's a different one. Also, there is a small lip down there. I'm not sure if you will see it. Yeah, it's here. It is really simple, basically. Pop it out. I don't know if I can reach it. Yeah, like that, in and out, no problem. And the tricky part, but not tricky, is this plastic piece. I was trying to figure out how it works, and it's really simple. You just take it here, the strong part, you slide it out, and yeah, it's out. It has two little tabs, top and bottom. Also here you can find one tab, another tab, and I already replaced the filter. And basically, to put it in again, you just place it here. That is flush already. It's difficult with one hand now. And then you slide it. So simple. Yeah, easy.